Welcome to Rulebooks Anonymous.
Hey everybody, it's James with Rulebooks Anonymous. I got this game the other day, well, this expansion, and just wanted to do an unboxing, if you will. Try and put some more videos out there on our channel for you to actually see stuff that we talk about, and I'm sure we'll talk about this in a future episode when we revisit the island for the third time, because man, I love this game. Played it when I was growing up, and I was a Kickstarter backer of the original that came out, and then I got this as soon as it was available on Amazon. But yeah, let's open it up and take a look and see what's in here. I don't know if any of you saw anything previously, but this is Fireball Island Spider Springs, and so this one is an attachment to the island, goes into the side, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, I will try and add a link for the original game. I brought that knife, I didn't need that. Showing exactly what it does, or how it plays and whatnot, but this is one of the expansions that just came out. I'm hoping that we get at least one more expansion to go on the other side of the island. I'm assuming we will, just because there's a spot there, they might as well fill it. But let's take a look. Let's see what's in here. Alright, so got a deck of cards. We got some ladders and such. We got the island itself. This is the island, what it looks like, the additional piece. This is the spider launcher down here. And we got the instruction book here. And yeah, the way this works is there are these cool spiders, these guys right here. And over time, they get added into the little launcher here. I'll just put a couple in there to show you. And when a fireball gets triggered, there is one that has the possibility of falling down here. I think it's actually one of the ember marbles. And if it hits this guy, it'll pop those spiders up. I didn't do it very hard. I guess I'm just not cool. Maybe I'll be cool. There we go. Try again. There you go. And they pop up a little bit more. You can see that. Let's try and show it a little better. And pops them out like that. And as I recall, the spiders do some negative points to you. Probably poisoning or something of that nature. We got, what are these? Oh, these are the spider eggs. We have small spider eggs and some large spider eggs, and those are worth points. That's all that's in that bag. In this bag we have the broken bridge and the long bridge. The long bridge goes across this space right here, so you can fall off of that and bad things can happen, of course. And then this piece goes, this attaches to the other island, and this will tuck up underneath the other island, and this will go right here. There's a pathway onto there. And yeah, so there's a sticker, I guess. Yeah, there's a sticker that goes here. A couple more ember marbles. That's cool. And then the deck of cards says what the spiders do, or the reference card. And then there's the submarine card. I'm going to have to replace that with an actual submarine. Having served on one as well as my brother. That's just sad. I need an actual submarine. Come on, Restoration Games. Give me a submarine, a real one. But no, that's cool. I like that they put that as a second way to get off the island. So that's it. That's the whole expansion. Like I said, eventually we'll probably go back to the island when we get a chance to play more, which who knows if that happens anytime soon, because we're always playing new games. But yeah, that's it. Thanks.
You've been listening to Rulebooks Anonymous. You can find us on social media at Rulebooks Anonymous on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Minds.com. Rulebooks Anonymous is available on Spreaker, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and CastBox.